Hello again, everybody. Welcome back. It's time for our maths session today. Now, I'm hoping that yesterday you had a really good session where you were thinking all about money. Really good topic to do, isn't it? Really good unit, money, because it's so relevant to our lives. You're going to be using and interacting with money your entire life. Even if we move towards a sort of cashless society, as we seem to be on the way to now, I'm sure coins and notes like this are going to be a big feature in your life for a very, very, very long time. So a really good unit of maths to be doing. So yesterday we spent our time really familiarizing ourselves with the British coins, and notes. So hopefully you spent a bit of time yesterday, maybe drawing some, maybe playing some of the games that we had on. If you haven't already done that, do check out yesterday's video and have a good play around with that, because I think it's a really good way to get yourself used to the different coins and notes that we have in our system. So today we're going to be trying to move that on a little bit and just really making sure we are confident with pounds and pence, and particularly being able to add up different amounts of them. Now, I think these ones are really nicely laid out, actually, because one of the sort of tips and bits of advice I had for people in class yesterday was I always like to do it starting with the highest amount and adding up that way. So even if they're all kind of mixed up, I would do the highest amounts first, and these ones are laid out in exactly that way. So pause the video here and just practice some of those skills from yesterday. We're going to be counting up our money here, and come back to me when you are done. Okay, so our answers for this one then, we had 20, 40, 60, 80p there for the first one. Second one, we had 20, 30, 32, 34, 36, 37p. For our notes here, we had 10, 15, 20 pounds. And then number 4, we had 5, 7, 9, 10 pounds. So today then, we're going to be thinking about this a little bit more and making sure we're getting really good at some mental addition of our money here. Could also do a bit of written addition if you wanted to, but we're going to try as best we can to do some mental addition here. And again, my big bit of advice would be I would count in descending order, starting with the largest amounts you have. So there's 5 piles here, 4 in the corners and 1 in the middle. Which of these are worth £14? Exactly £14. Have a quick discussion again and point out for me the ones that are worth £14. Okay, here we go then. So let's have a look at them. The ones that were £14, well, not that one, that was 14 pence. Here in the middle, yeah, we had 10 and then our £4 as well. What about this one? The £2 coins there. Yep, 7 £2 coins, that's worth 14. Our notes here, that's obviously worth 15. And down here, we had £1.40. So we've got Jack, Amir and Mo here. I'd like you to add up for me the total amount that each boy has. Maybe jot down for me the total amount each one has. And I'd like you to say how much they each have, who has the most money, who has the least money. Unpause the video when you're ready. So Jack, first of all, then he's got his 20p, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of 5. So again, we could think about our times tables here. I could do 6 times 5, which I know is 30. And then I've got 20 and 30. So Jack's got 50p in total. For Amir's, sorry, just showing what we're talking about there. For Amir's, again, I'm going to actually start by doing this in a descending order. So I'm going to do 50p first, then 20. 50 and 20 is 70. Then my 2, so 72. Then my 1, so 73. And for Mo here, same again, I'm going to think about this in descending order. I'm going to do my £2 first. So that's 2 plus 2, that's 4, plus the 1, that's £5. So Mo has the most money, Jack has the least. Whitney's back today. Whitney is making 50p using only silver coins, and there are lots of different ways to do that. Can you draw for me some of the different ways Whitney could make 50p using only silver coins? So get a pen and paper, pause the video here and jot down some of the different ways she could do it. Okay, there's going to be lots of different answers to this. Here are a few of them. We could have just one 50p on its own. We could have 5 10p pieces. We could have a 20, a 20 and a 10. You could have 10 lots of 5. There are actually other ways as well. So we could have a combination thereof. Okay, how much money does Whitney have? Let's use this strategy again of going in descending order. So let's do the largest ones first and then go down. I'll let you pause the video and work this one out for yourself. How much money does Whitney have? Okay, so let's put that into descending order. So starting with the largest, getting smaller. We've got £2 here, I can see. Then it's £2.50, £2.60, £2.65, £2.66. Oh, Rosie here. And do you know what? I think she looks a little bit like our Rosie as well, doesn't she? I wonder if you're watching. Hello, Rosie. So how much money does Rosie have? Again, let's get this into descending order. That means going from largest to smallest. And then let's add it up from there. So let's put it into descending order. And now I'd like you to pause the video here and add this up. What do we get? Okay, we've got 5 and 2, that's £7. And then for our pence here, we've got 10, 20, 30, and then 4p at the end as well. So it's £7.34. Here's Alex. And she's got these coins. So same as before, let's put these into descending order. You could draw that on your page maybe, and then we're going to add up from there. So here's our descending order. Oh, sorry, it's a slightly different question, apologies. So Alex drops one of her coins. How much could she have left? Well, I think we are actually going to do what I thought we were going to do next, which is put these into descending order. So we do need to work out how much she's got in total, actually, don't we? So let's count it up. She's got £1.50, £1.60, £1.62, £1.63. So we know it's £1.63 in total. Now, if she drops one of her coins, it's going to be £1.63 minus one of these amounts. So it could be £1.63 take away £1. It could be £1.63 take away 50p. Could be £1.63 take away 10, and so on. Let's have a think then. It could have been 63p if she lost £1. It could have been £1.61 if she dropped the 2p. It could have been £1.53 if she dropped the 10p. It could have been £1.13 if she dropped the 50. And nice and simple, it would have been £1.62 if she dropped the 1. Okay then, so I'm going to pause now and I'm going to leave you to do the 6 questions for today. So have a go at these, pause each one, have a go at it on your pen and paper, and then we'll have the answers ready for you at the end. So here's question 1. Pause the video here. Okay then, well done everybody. Here are the answers. So I'm going to leave these up on the screen while I'm talking. Hopefully then you're feeling increasingly confident with money. It's a really useful skill, not just for here in school, but actually outside of school as well. This is clearly a skill that we're going to be using and applying all the time, not just in our adult lives, but actually our child lives as well. So a really, really important one. And the better you are at kind of adding up money and having those mental strategies to kind of put things in descending order and add up on the hoof, the better you're going to feel about dealing with money. So really good skill to practice. And again, really good one to try to convince mum and dad to give you a bit of money for, isn't it? If you say to them, oh, mum and dad, do you think maybe I could have a few pounds and I can go and maybe buy a chocolate bar from the shop and practice all that maths Mr. Vass has been teaching me? Who knows? You might get lucky. Give it a go. Okay, everybody, thanks very much for watching today. You've got a video from Mrs. Potter to finish off your Friday afternoon, so I won't see you again. I hope you have a really fantastic weekend, and I look forward to seeing you again back on our YouTube channel on Monday. Have a great one, everyone. Enjoy, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.